Remove needle plate screws. Raise the needle bar. Remove old needle. Remove presser foot. Remove bobbin cover and bobbin. Then remove needle plate. Now let's get to work. It's best to use a vacuum attachment to avoid pushing lint further into the machine. Don't forget to clean under the bobbin case. Cleaning like this should be done after every major project to keep your machine working worry-free. Don't forget to clean between the feed dogs. Finally, a little final dusting to make sure all the lint is gone. The goods.